guys at the Film Safe, which is the place I get all my film developed, have sent me 2 rolls of film. The first one I'll be shooting on is this, the Ilford XP2 Super 400. I'm trying to film a video. So I'll be loading this into my Olympus. I'm going to walk around London and do some street photography, black and white. I never shoot black and white, so this will be interesting. Weird shooting black and white. I have to try and think in black and white because I always like shooting colour. That's a weird one for me. Love the photo of him from the front, but he was very. Yeah. On a subject in this, there's a guy coming. Yeah. Well, and then go back again. If you come like close to the edge, in fact, pretty much where you are now, come back that way. It's definitely cheating, but here you go. Good guy. Yeah. It's definitely cheating. What? That's cheating. Yeah. Right, do it. It's all being filmed. That was a bit underexposed. No, it didn't like because it's like. Well, I said. What? No, I'm not sure I would trust them. I'm not gonna lie. I do trust enough to get a photo though. And you still need some footage of me shooting. Would you want to? Huh? I want someone crossing, like in this crossing bit, if possible.
It's just like, it's so standard, aren't they? NPCs. Really
every time. I used to leave 5 seconds of footage in after every shot. And every time I take a fucking photo, you say something, I'm like, can I leave that in the video? You just abuse the people around us every fucking frame I take. I'm like, this might just be pure music and no.
You gotta have some fucking.
Oh, fuck, wait. Go. It's first crossing. Why are you in the middle of the road, dick? If you were to cross now, love, I'd already be shit. Alright, I like that. Yeah. Right, onwards. I just realised what that post thing is. You want a fish eye then? Oh, it's like a wide angle.
Yeah, like a very wide angle.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, that's a good colour reflection. Cool, there we go. Can't see it, can't see it. Nice reflection. Go a bit more. 60. Drop that down. 250. Then I'm not taking a photo of home, no, I just did. Sneaky track. Camera, film camera. Is that? Is it not? Good anyway. Fucking stinks when you do that. Someone's on an eggy fart. Oh, I just tasted it in my mouth. I missed it. Yeah, missed it. I heard it there. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sure you can. Oh, I don't fucking know. Yeah. I'll mention it in the when I send it off. Though, I'll tell them the Kodak Gold I accidentally shot at 400. Can you do whatever you need to do?
Yeah, because when that's cool.
I don't want it. I have no idea. But I want this for digital. Stop, please. I like the contrast of the really new buildings in the background. They just look like shit in the foreground. That might be a bit brutal. Nah, leave that in. So yeah, I want to quickly get. Thank you guys. Hey, there guys. One, maybe two more shots. Mirror. I think this is my final shot. Oh man! Fucking hell. I was adjusting the settings, fucking hell! Come on! It's fucking manual back in it! I don't know, one more shot maybe? Let me crank it, so let's find out. Oh, it's so cold! Fuck. Oh, that would have been so, that would have been right there. Let me get the image. Which building? Oh, there's what's it? Moving light squad. And we're done. I see. Alright, that is the full roll of, what was that? Ilford XP2 maybe? Can't remember actually what I was shooting now. Shot on the Olympus. Thank you to the Film Safe for developing it and sending me this roll to try out. I'm also making a full video like talking about this film and the other film they've sent me, so be sure to check that out. Peace.